Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at these DUCO Polarized sunglasses. As you can see, these got nice, stunning blue lenses, and they've got this very nice low profile frame. Super stylish. It comes with this little information packet. You've got the box right here. As you can see, Italian design, so you know it's serious. Very stylish box as well. And they've also got this little carry bag, super soft material, so this also doubles as a wipe. You can wipe off the lenses. Very nice geometric kind of pattern there. DUCO, you know they're serious about their branding. And right here you got this little polarization card, so you simply look at the card through the lenses and you can see the branding, meaning these are in fact polarized. They also feel very nice in the face. I'm going to show you what they look like right now. These glasses on my face feel very nice. I look very stylish in them as well. I can see myself getting many compliments in them. And the thing I like is that there is no blue tint at all. The colors are very true to color. So I would probably say these are my favorite pair of sunglasses ever. Thanks for watching.